What's up, YouTube? Malcolm Damone here. Giving his appliance repair. We're here with the LG microwave. The customer's complaint is that the door keeps catching on this piece here. This piece goes here at the top of the microwave. So what happens is, from all the excessive heating and cooling from this over-the-range microwave and these fans being on, this panel's cracked and it's not staying up. So the fix would be to replace this panel here. And as you can see, it's kind of a misfit because of the way somebody installed it. So it's kind of jimmied up there and leveled all the way across. So we're gonna have to come from up here, drop the microwave, push this down, get the new panel installed, try to screw it from in here once we drop it, and get it back up there and remount it. Thank you for tuning in. Signing out. I'll catch y'all later.